There's a feature in Canva that a lot of people either don't know exists or have tried and given up on. It's called starring, and when it's used well, when the list stays manageable, it's one of the fastest ways to get to your most used files without navigating through folders or scrolling through recents every time. To star something, hover over any design or folder from your Canva home screen or from within projects. A star icon appears in the top corner of the thumbnail. Click it, and the item is added to your starred list right away. If you're in a team account and want to star something for the whole team rather than just yourself, go to the three-dot menu on the designer folder instead and choose Star for Team. To unstar something, hover over it again and click the star a second time, or from your sidebar, hover over the item in your starred list, click the three-dot menu that appears next to it, and choose Unstar from there. Here's where most people run into trouble. They star a lot of things, and then the starred section becomes just another list to scroll through, which defeats the purpose entirely. The things worth starring are the ones you open regularly no matter what you're working on. Your most used templates, a client folder you're actively in every week, your course material if you're constantly updating them. Folders tend to be better candidates than individual designs because a starred folder gives you one-click access to everything inside it. My own starred list stays very lean, partly because I have a solid folder structure underneath it. I know I can find everything else without starring it, so I don't need to use starring as a backup navigation system. My blog folder and my Clean Up My Canva course folder are there permanently because I'm in both of them all the time. When I have an active time-sensitive project, a launch, a promotion, a seasonal campaign, I'll star that folder while I'm working on it and unstar it when the project is over. If you need to star more than a handful of items, sections are worth setting up so things stay organized. To add a section, click the plus icon next to your starred at the top of the sidebar. Canva creates a new untitled section and opens it for renaming right away. Give it a clear name, and you can also add an emoji if that helps you identify it faster when you're scanning the sidebar. Once it's named, drag your starred items into it to group them. You can reorder both the sections and the items within them by dragging. Sections are worth adding when you have different categories of work that make sense to separate. Active client projects in one group, your own recurring content in another. If everything you star is roughly the same type of thing, a section probably isn't necessary. The starring shortcut only works if it leads somewhere useful. If you star a folder and open it to find a mess of unnamed designs, duplicates, and old files mixed in with current work, you haven't actually saved yourself any navigation time. Starring is one layer of a well-organized Canva account. It works best when the folder structure underneath it is already solid, clearly named, easy to navigate, and current. A well-organized folder is worth starring. A folder you'd have to dig through anyway isn't going to feel like a shortcut. If your underlying folder structure needs attention first, I'll link my free Canva organization roadmap below. It walks you through the bigger picture cleanup process, so features like starring actually have something useful to work with.